Welcome back, guys. This video is all about creating the search template. So a few videos ago when we created the sidebar widget, we also added a search box. So if we search for something in the search box, such as news, you can see that it should work pretty much straight outside the box. There's nothing we really need to do to make that work. But one thing we can do is give our theme a custom search template, because at the moment it's just defaulting back to the index page, which is why we've got the pretty similar layout to the blog, which is fine for now because we want the search page to look like the blog. But we'll create a custom template so we can add the feature text at the top, and we'll also show the term in the feature section that the user has searched for, and also print out a statement in case there's been no search results found. So over to the text editor, new page, save this as search.php. And so it looks pretty similar to the blog page. Copy the contents of the index page to get started and paste that in. And just to check that the search template is actually working and it's overriding the index page, just type in some random text somewhere and save, and then refresh. And there we go. So we can just see that the text that we created is at the top there. And this means that the template is taking effect. So we can remove that now. So pretty much all the work we need to do now for this template is in the functions page, because we're going to be working in the header section to create the feature text. So go over to the functions.php, and then below the 404 we'll add another else if statement just on the curly brace there. So else if is underscore search. So at the very top of the text we'll just do a Tranquil Spa official blog. So copy that and then paste that in, and let's see if that's working. Okay, and below that we'll add a break tag, and a semicolon at the end there. And then underneath this we're going to print out the search results, or the search term that the user has searched for. And instead of echoing this to the browser, we're going to use printf, and then in the brackets we're going to start by typing some plain text. So search results for, and then the colon, and then to show in the result of the search query, use the % and the s, and then put a comma after this section, and then use the get search query function. So get underscore search underscore query, and this whole thing needs to be surrounded by brackets, so one before, one at the very end with the semicolon. So the reason why we're using printf instead of the echo is because we're using formatting in the search results, and printf allows us to do that. So save that and check if it's working by hitting refresh. We can try this a few more times to check it's working. So we've got the news as its current search term. So let's change this to hair. And that seems to be working fine. And we'll do one more. And we're not getting post for that, so we'll just check lorem for the lorem ipsum. And we should get lots of posts for this. So that's all working fine. So if you notice, when we search for something before, such as hair, we got the error message of sorry, no posts match your criteria. And we want to make this a little bit more specific to the search rather than the posts. So go over to the search.php and then scroll down to the bottom until we find the error message there. So just delete that. And instead we'll add our own custom message of sorry, no matches for, and then to pull in the word that the user searched for, we'll just add on to the end there the function of get search query, and then the dot to concatenate. Some more text onto there, so start by opening up the quotes again, and a comma, or please search again. So let's save that and take a look. And there's an error message there, so we'll take a look at that. And it's just a spelling mistake there. That should be get search query. So now that's working, we've got the error message. So sorry, no matches for, we just need a space after the word for. And then refresh. For hair, please search again. So thanks for watching, and that's how you create a custom search page in WordPress.